Welcome to the Airport Taxis Affiliate Program. Our system is automated, so managing your partnership is quick and easy. Here's how you can register and start earning commissions.
Step 1. Go to the registration page at app.airporttaxis.com and create your free account. Step 2. After logging in, open the Referral Program section. Here you will find your personal QR code. You can download and place it in hotel rooms, next to Wi-Fi information, on reception desks, or at event venues. You will also get your referral link. Share it in booking confirmations, in your newsletters, or on social media.
You can also add a booking widget directly to your website. This allows your customers to book their airport transfer instantly. All you need to do is copy 2 lines of code and paste them into your site.
In the same dashboard, you can easily generate invoices and track your commissions.
And if you would like to discuss a custom commission rate or create a special discount coupon for your guests, simply email us at info@airporttaxis.com. Start today and grow with the Airport Taxis Affiliate Program.